Welcome to Vishal Peripherals. Step into our store and immerse yourself in a world of endless possibilities.
From sleek ultrabooks
To powerful gaming laptops,
to you'll find a wide selection of accessories to enhance your computing experience.
worried about the cost of buying a new gaming rig?
We offer you the opportunity to experience our custom-built PC for free. You can try out the latest hardware
Test different configurations.
and see which setup suits your gaming style the best.
Our knowledgeable staff are here to provide you with expert advice and personalized solution. Welcome to our state-of-the-art building sector, where our skilled technicians are ready to bring your dream PC to life. Vishal Peripherals, your one-stop shop for all your computer needs.
Your trusted partner for cutting-edge technology is Vishal Peripherals.